ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Skulbah University of Science Technology Meghalaya. Kalayo ya kalat ban Rung Napdeng gi arspa Tylli gi Skulbah gi babahatam jonggari India. Haga jingpen bena ka bakhandai jongga National Institutional Ranking Framework 2024. Kabalapan bena hanin ka sngi da Menteri Ketanat Puli Puthi ka Sarkar Padeng Udharmendra Pradhan. Ka Ustm gadai tang maka ka Skulbah shimet haga than chatei lammingi kabalayo ya kane ka kerdan haga Sien ka balai bat kani ka jingbu kerdan bala penmi manlau snem ka bishar bat bu kerdan ya gi jaka puli bakhampau bat shakhman ha India katkum ki kendon bapher bakentup nado ka jinghikai bat kila jingerap ka jingwat bnia bat ka jingtrekam batbet bat kiwei Ka Ustm gade ka Skulbah kapala yo ya ka accreditation A grade hadien ka jing bishar penia daga National Assessment Accreditation Council House nam arajar arpuwe. La itu ru ya kani ka Skulbah kum ka Green Campus kabadai ru ka way na ka jing ang note bahakmat jong ka NAAC kum ka kanhon jong ka Ministry of Education jong ka Sarkar India. Halor ka jingrung biang ka Skulbah Ustm hapo ka tup ki arspa Tylli gi University bapau hagari nagaliang ki bor punya jong ka Skulbah ki lapulong ru da ka jinglek men le sngobah hagani ka sngi.
This is the future of the university will grow and grow and grow. I am very grateful. Every single person in the state of Meghalaya found small amount to have a everyone is supporting this university. Everyone is supporting this university. And that's why this university is growing. The faculty members who are working in industry, we got later in the first assessment cycle. While the private university and institutional and government university got the first cycle got the again. This is the university after 5 years from the date of commencement we got the again. And we are ready for air mass pass in 2026. We will get it air mass pass in 2026. We will get it. And with the commitment, lots of things in our plan. But it is your money students you are paying. More than 1,000 students are getting free or constitutional education they are getting. But still, it is so powerful, your money is so powerful that you have made this campus. I am telling you, nobody will know that you are going to be 5 lakhs rupees loan to this institution. I have visited from one bank to another. But last year, even we have not completed 1 year, State Bank of India came to our office and they said that how much you need. I said I need 79 crores. My chartered accountant said that no, it is not possible to come out with a resolution we need 150 crores. I was very much interested that how we will return this money. This bank, without any collateral, State Bank of India, you know, State Bank of India is a non-financial institution at the top. They have, without any collateral, State Bank of India has 150 crores loan for our upcoming maintenance.